Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about a free keyword tool called keywordtool.io. So let's get straight into it. As you can see, they generate keywords for Google, YouTube, Bing, Amazon, eBay and the App Store. So it's really good, and it also has different countries as well. So we have United States, Afghanistan, Algeria and so on, and the same for YouTube, same for Bing, Amazon, eBay and the App Store. So that's absolutely awesome. So what we're going to do is type in a keyword. Let's just type in online courses and let's have Google UK for United Kingdom in English and click search. This is a great alternative for Google Keyword Planner. So here we go. For the pro version you can look at search volume, cost per click and AdWords competition, but that's not too important. You can look at all of the different keywords just here. So from here, from online courses, there's 595 unique keywords found. And to copy them all, just click this button here. To export them all, click this button here and click either CSV or Excel file. And then to select the ones you want to copy, use this little tick box just here. So tick the ones you want to copy. So just by ticking them like this, and then click copy in the bottom right hand corner, and that will just copy the ones that you've got ticked. So that is absolutely awesome. And then we've got questions. So these are keywords which are just questions. So as you can see, are online courses worth it? Are online courses worth it UK? And so on and so on. And then if you want to have a quick look at the pro version, all you need to do is click this just here. And it says, if you scroll down all the way to the bottom, here we go. It's either $88 a month, $68 a month, or $48 a month. And that gives you search volume data, cost per click data, AdWords competition data, 2 times more keywords, and much more. So that's absolutely awesome. And it's not too expensive. It depends how often you're going to use it, of course, because if you're not going to use it too much, there's no point paying out all the money for it. And if you don't like it, there's also a 30-day money-back guarantee to get a full refund. And as you can see, trusted by all these different companies as well. So now you know that it's a great tool to use. And if I scroll back to the top and go back to the main website, that is keywordtool.io. I recommend it for everyone, even if you're just going to use the free version to find keywords. It's really good. So now we're going to have a look at keywords related to the phrase HTML courses. So as you can see, they have found 203 unique keywords. So there's absolutely tons of them, pages and pages. You can click copy all and you've got them all copied. So that is awesome. We then have Amazon. So let's have a quick look at Amazon. HTML courses on Amazon has nothing. So if I type iPhone case, because that gets searched a lot on there, as you can see, we have all of the keywords, which is good for that. There's absolutely tons. So if you're looking at Amazon or eBay, look for keywords related to products. If you look at Google, YouTube, Bing, look at keywords related to absolutely anything you want to optimize. And finally, we have App Store. And then if I type in Angry Birds, like so, we will get 100 keywords. There we have Angry Birds, Angry Birds 2, Blast, Free, Movie, Rio, and so on and so on. There's absolutely loads. So yeah, they all work really well. They're all absolutely awesome. Google, YouTube, Bing, Amazon, eBay, and App Store. You can use any of them. You can select the country. You can select the language. You can also filter them. So yeah, this is awesome. It's free. It's awesome. And you can also unlock more parts of this tool by paying if you want to. But you don't have to. The best part is free, actually getting the keywords. And yeah, so that's that. That is keywordtool.io. Hopefully you all enjoy it. Hopefully you all learned a lot. And hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.